Welcome to my assignment to Fake Store app. I'll be going through all the features that I've implemented for the app today, starting with the sign-in features. So we've opened up the app straight away. We're going to reload it to show the splash screen has been implemented. So the splash screen's been implemented, which leads straight into the sign-in. We can test here that the sign-in is stopped by a listener. That shows an error screen whenever we try to log into something before we're signed in. So first of all, we're going to show this first account that has been pre-made and pre-logged with orders, just to show some of the saving capabilities within it. I'm going to reset that password. There we go. So we got to see that the password was wrong. Also get that error. So we've logged into user one, which is my bench for the saved items that have already been done. So we can see that already in this cart, there is stuff to check out. If we go to my orders, we can see there's a new order here. We have 2 delivered orders with none in the paid. So this is showing some of the behind the scenes saving, especially that we just reloaded. We can already see that there's stuff saved on the server for this user. So then we're going to sign out of here, double check again to make sure we still can't sign back into those. And then we're going to sign up with a new user. So we're going to start up with user 2. User 2. We're going to make it 2.0 just because I think there is already one on the server. And we're going to make the password 123 with capital P. Sign up with that. There we go. So it takes us straight to the product screen, but before that, we'll go and see that we are able to see the user email username. We can also update the name, so we update it to be the same as the email. And we're going to make the new password 321. Confirm that. Then we're going to sign out and sign back in with the new password. There we go. So that change was updated successfully. Okay, so now we're going to go through the product categories. So we see all these loaded from the server. We'll be able to go into each one and see the different products selected. Just like that. And we're going to stay in men's clothing. Go into one of the products and see we have the price, category, description, picture, and the name for them all. I'm going to go back and click on the t-shirt. Add this to the shopping cart. And we see we get the badge down the bottom here. So we're going to go to another category, electronics. I'm going to add one of the monitors at the bottom. Add that to the shopping cart. Let's go to my cart. So we can see that we can up our quantity, which increases the total cost at the top. We can also decrease it. So actually this monitor is too much for me, so I'm going to delete it from my cart entirely, leaving just this shirt here. And we'll put the products in it. We'll go all the way back to women's clothing. And we'll get one of these shirts as well. So down the bottom we have 4 in our cart. We have 4 total items up here. We have all these. We can see it all updating simultaneously. So we're going to check out this order. The shopping cart becomes empty and our order then transitions to here, giving a notification for every new order that we have. So we can see the shrunken view here. So if we expand it to show the details, we can see the images, quantity, and the name of each product. So we're going to say that we've paid for this item now. Mark it as paid, and this gets uploaded to the server as a paid product, but not delivered. So we'll be able to see it here. The information again. We can also see the badge down the bottom is updated to be nothing because there's no new orders to be selected from. There's nothing to do in that sense. So we're also going to receive this item. See that now. It's in the delivered section, so everything's categorized. Just like that. We're going to quickly add another item to here. see we got the order incrementing to how many orders are in our server right now. I'm gonna pay for this one as well. And go back. We're actually going to stay in this to show another feature. So we're going to go to the other user now to see the items in there. Sign out of that. Again, we can see that we get blocked out. And we'll log in as user 1 now. We can also use this clear button to reset all of this. Successfully signed in. So we logged out the original user in the product, and then we sign back in as another user, which takes us back to the category. So it's resetting the pages. We can go through here, and we already have a cart with item selected. We can still change and edit. So I'm going to change that. Add this code to it. Scroll down here, add that to the shopping cart. Going to check out this order. And we're seeing no clashes with the other orders that we've made. So if you go back and compare the order numbers, you'll be able to see that 2, 3, 4, and 7 are all here, while 5 and 6 are in the other user. So we're going to open this, pay for it. And now we're going to test reloading the app. So if we click the R in our server, this will reload our app. This should put us into an unlocked state. We get the splash screen again. We're going to log in as user 1, which we've only just recently made changes to. If we go back here, we should see 7, which was the newest order we just made. Yep. Going to check out our other user now. Sign in as that. See our 2 original ones are here still. As well as product still working, nothing in the cart as well. Sign out of that. So that's shown that even when a server reloads, the server is saving all the user information is on the server, and the app's pulling that down successfully and putting it in with no clashes in the different users. So that's the video today. Thank you for watching.